Are nuts and seeds nutrient dense or are they food allergens? This is a fantastic question, and most often you hear so many people talking about food allergies from nuts and seeds, especially in children. One of the big causes of food allergies in young children is probably birth born c-section, because the microbiome is very different in a child born c-section versus a child born normal. So certainly children don't have the agni as well to digest a heavy food like nuts, especially if it's offered as a snack in between meals where it irritates the gut. So nuts are a very tricky food. It requires strong agni, balanced agni, otherwise it will lead to the formation of ama, which is what will show up as nut allergies and food sensitivity tests. So when it comes to nuts, first always work on restoring, healing digestion, which is why you're here and watching this video.